Hello Reno fam, thank you once again for coming back and sticking around. So this is week 7 of the renovations. We had to go window shopping, literally window shopping, because our side has to be finished, because in about 2 weeks time we're gonna have to move into the east wing, which is my wing. So thank you so much, our wing. So this week obviously everything was removed, from the doors to the windows to the ceiling, and some walls broken down. As you can see that there is no roof anymore, it's just an open space. This is a preparation to actually put the other new roof. So this week they're preparing the walls and everything else so they can put up the new roof. Next week, that's when you're going to see the new roof being built for the garage and the other side. So everything might look the same at the moment, but every single little thing that they do is actually progress in our eyes, because we just want to see the house finished. So come walk with me throughout the whole thing, and thank you once again for watching. One other thing that I forgot to tell you guys that came with the yard is that we had an additional family member, non-negotiable, found by Ocean. Ocean is my pet dog. His name is Forest. Forest is a tortoise. So we had to move Forest from this area because we were scared that he's going to be squashed. So we had to move him with us by the other house. So I'm going to post a video in a couple of days just to show you how Forest was trying to escape from that other house, because there was no Forest there and he just wanted to be in the wild. But now we have an additional family member that came with the yard, and you will see him next week to say hello to Forest. Stick around. So here, this furniture was by this gallery, so all the cupboards that were on the floor by this gallery, they're all rotten, so we can't reuse them. The nicest thing is that the way we're redesigning this gallery, we won't need the cupboards to be on the floor, so I guess this is our loss. Thank you once again for watching, guys. Please follow me and ask others to follow, as I'll be posting more videos. Thank you. Bye.